Hallway testing is a quick and cost-effective method of usability testing. The idea is to randomly select people, for example, people passing by in a hallway, and ask them to try out a product or service you're testing. It's great for the early stages of new design. This type of testing allows designers to identify glaring usability problems. For example, if participants cannot figure out how to proceed and are stuck at a certain stage of the process. It's not designed to identify subtle issues, which should be reserved for a traditional remote unmoderated study. For example, if the participants cannot figure out how to proceed and are stuck at a certain stage of the process. Here are a few tips to make hallway testing a success. First, set up early in a place with high traffic. Get greeters. Don't monopolize time or be too pushy. Incentivize the people who spend time reviewing your product. Cash or gift card will do. Lastly, don't shy away from criticism. Encourage people to be as honest as possible. The benefits of hallway usability testing are: it's simple, cheap, and an effective software testing technique. It doesn't require significant planning. It helps to get insight into the software's UI and design. It allows you to improve usability. And lastly, it allows you to gain user feedback to help you iterate and improve the software's UX. There are some disadvantages. You're limited by the people who are walking through the place you're testing. Some people may not be willing to help. For example, if it's a Friday afternoon, people would rather get home after a long week. People may not be totally honest, since the observer effect is in play. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Playbook UX channel for weekly whiteboard videos.